Upholstery that needs cleaning, in desperate need of cleaning would be a better term. Hey guys, welcome back. We've got some dirty upholstery. It's about 80 years old. It's an heirloom hand-me-down. She just got it from her great Nana, who's just turned 99 years old this year. Like, that's wonderful, actually. But we're gonna see if we can get this clean. We post weekly content here. We do everything from vehicles, driveways, sidewalks to obviously upholstery. And now we've moved into some stuffed toys even. It's bonus footage at the end, so make sure you stick around to the end and check it out. If you're new here, hit the like and subscribe. Turn on all notifications, and that way you'll never miss when we've uploaded a new video. With the cleaning solution sprayed on, I'm using this drill brush to loosen up some of these stubborn stains. As always, all the products we use are listed in the description below. Now we've moved on to extraction. It's personally my favorite part of the whole process. If you notice in the background, that's actually the toy we clean at the end, so stick around to the end and check it out. This nasty stain was a surprise that was underneath the cushion that at first I didn't think was removable. Lucky I figured it out. The chair's owner has a 4-year-old son, and she figures she knows what this stain is, but if anybody wants to take a guess, put it in the comments and let me know. I'll pin it to the top once somebody's guessed it right. Well, about an hour and a half later, got it looking pretty good. Here's the gross water we extracted from it. It didn't smell very nice, but I believe the results were worth it. check out the reveal. I was pretty happy with the results. Turned out looking pretty nice. Coming up here is some bonus footage. I saw the kid's toy in the background and it was nasty as well, and I thought, hey, I'm here, might as well do it. As it was a children's toy, I didn't use anything other than hot water that was coming out of the extractor. It did a really good job. Everyone enjoyed. Stick around to see the final result on the toy. We post content weekly. Hit the subscribe and the like, and don't forget to throw in the comments what you think that stain was. Thanks for watching.